Our mommies. Please, if you know you are Ajebutter, let me see your hands up. Please, nobody on this table should don't try it. Don't try it, please. If you know you are Ajebutter, there's one nursery it has two versions. I want to know the group you belong to. If you did your own like this, wherever you go, I never reach that on. Wherever you be, do not say yes when you mean to say no. Hello, duh. Like seriously, you are Ajebutter. But we talk about with ourselves. 1, 2, 3, go. Wherever you go, wherever you be, Oluwa, do not say yes when you mean to say no. Oh, ni Lekki Oluwa. Ejo Patel for a round of applause for yourself. Celebrate yourselves, ladies and gentlemen. Mommy, we're here to celebrate a great woman, our sweet grandmother. Mommy, Boy 48. Wow, beautiful. God bless you, ma'am. Very soon, ladies and gentlemen, we'll start to talk about the celebration. Beautiful. Beautiful. DJ. Kids down here, mama. Just carry it down. Mommy, Junior, stand at my back. Beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, we will dance together. Mommy, Ejobami, do CB. Mommy, please stand here. We will dance together. I will do like, please, let's pay attention. Mommy, I will do like 2 dance steps. You will do as I do. Then after that, are you ready? Bouncer. Okay. Okay, are we ready? Are we ready? I'll do like 2 or 3 dance steps. Then after that, you will come, man. You will dance DJ Weto at the Good Vets on Sunday. You will dance, man, you will go to your seat. Man, you will come, you will dance, you will go to your seat. Mommy, after you also come, you dance, you go to your seat. Man, you do same, you dance, go to your seat. You, then, engineer. Are we ready? DJ, drop it. Drop it. Are you ready now? Bounce, bounce, bounce. No, don't say it. You draw a line, do it. Oh, bounce, bounce, bounce. Are you ready? Let's go. And you want to. Are you ready now? How many of us have ever shot this for boss? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, let go. Thank you so much. A round of applause for that. Please, a round of applause for that. you so much. All right. Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, right about now. Please, let's settle down. Let's settle down. I consider most of us are still eating.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you. God bless you.